In order to access immediate base class properties, we can use super keyword in Java. Following are the uses of super in Java. Super is used to access immediate base class variables. Super method is used to access immediate base constructor. Following is the example program to access the properties of base class using super keyword, where we define total 3 classes: class A, class B as extension of class A, B is a derived class, A is a base class, and S example class to call the methods for output. In class A, defined variables I, j, and A is the constructor with parameters x, y. X value equal to I, Y value equal to j. And printing statement for output in showk method. To call it, we have given A equal to A new A of 2, 3 in S example class, and in class B defining variables I, k, I value equaling A and k value equaling to B inside B constructor, and calling super x, y, which calls values of x, y from base class A. Now defining show method, which is calling immediate base class showk constructor along with printing statements. These all are defined under class B. For values, insert the S example class given B, small b equal to new, capital B of 2, 3, 4, 5. Means x equal to 2, y equal to 3, a equal to 4, b equal to 5. X value is I in base class, y value equals to j in base class, a value equals to I in derived class, b value equals to k in derived class. Now calling b.show, it calls show constructor in class B, which indirectly calls showk constructor in class A, as given super.showk. So it prints the values as 2, 3. Super class I value is 2 as it is calling the value from immediate base class, and value of k is 5.